How to create a simple form. In this one we're going to create a barrel stave. So we're going to use our Polyline Tool, draw a couple of lines in 1/4. We'll now select it, press the N button, which will bring up some handles, and we can change the shape so we get sort of a shape of a stave. The centre one, we click on it on the D button, that removes it. So as you can see now we have a shape. Set it to how you want. Next we're going to click on the mirror tool, and we're going to flip about centre. So we're going to flip to the bottom, and we'll select both our vectors, and then we're going to flip to the right, and now we've created our stave. So what we'll do now is we'll select all our vectors that we've just created, and we'll click the Join Vectors tool. So now we have one complete vector. Okay, we'll select the ellipse tool. This is going to create the shape for our barrel stave. So we'll just pull it out so we're in line with the end of the barrel. Now you can set this to any shape you like. So we'll close that off. Now we'll select our vector, and then we'll press the C on this end to cut this one, and then we'll press C on the other end to cut that one, and then we'll click D to delete, and D to delete again. Now we'll select what we have, press the N if you need to, and then we can adjust the handles to create the shape that we actually want. So it's up to you how you create your shape. This is how I've done mine. Now we'll select the Polygon tool again, and we want to draw two lines, one down either side of our barrel stave. We'll keep them the same height, like so. And now we'll open up the 3D window so we can see the forms that we're creating. So what we'll do is we'll go into our modelling tab and click on the two rail sweep, and click on the two lines that we've created either side. Hold the shift down to click them both together, and then click use selection. You want to make sure the arrows are pointing either up or down. As long as they're both pointing the same way, that'll be fine. And you want to uncheck the sweep spans. So now we'll select guide rail, and then you just click at the top of one of the rails, and it connects it all together. Click apply, and that gives us the shape of our barrel. So we'll give our component a name. Well, what we're going to do now is we're going to select our shape vector, and we're also going to select the shape, and then we're going to select this one here, which is going to delete everything outside the shape, so we're just left with the form of our barrel stave that we want to create. just like that.